Hello, my spiritual friends. Today, I want to help you anchor abundance into your life with the help of the abundance archetype, the administrator, also known as the Hierophant. Did you know that you have an abundance archetype and it is located in your hand shape that forms by the time you are about 6 years old? If you have an administrator hand, you will have long fingers and a square palm and a dominant middle finger, also called the Saturn finger. So even if you don't have this hand shape, you can call in the energy of this archetype. The administrator brings in the qualities of organization, life mastery, and utilizing tried and true systems that work. This archetype also brings in ancestral support, ancient wisdom support, and productiveness. All the archetypes also have symbols associated with them, and here are the symbols for the administrator. I want you to focus on these symbols while holding your hands in the administrator mudra. The administrator mudra is simply bringing your middle fingers together, your little fingers together, and then lowering all the other fingers down to the middle knuckles. Now take a deep breath in and repeat the following intention. I call in the energy of the administrator archetype to assist me in anchoring an organized system for my life mastery with ancestral and ancient wisdom, so that I may progress with ease and abundance. And so it is. This process is called multidimensional palmistry and can help you anchor in your abundance goals and dreams. If you would like to discover what your abundance archetype is, click on the link in my bio, or you can go to ascension17.com. And let me know in the comments what you think. And please follow and like for more spiritual and abundance tips. Have a beautiful day.